second point is what? How to find your Rasi. So Rasi, how to find the Rasi? So now wherever moon is there in chart, D1 chart, this is called Lagna Kundali, and Lagna Kundali called Natal chart, Lagna Kundali, Rasi Kundali, Janma chart, so many names, all are equal. Lagna Kundali chart, D1 chart, Natal chart, Rasi Kundali chart, Janma Kundali, all are equal. Okay, this is the main chart. In Vedic astrology, so many Shodasa Varga Pattikal, so many are there. But KP Krishnamurti removed all that. He will see only D1 and D9 charts, Navamsa Kundali. Remaining all, so many Navamsa. See, this is Hora chart D2 and Drekana D3, Chaturdamsa D4, Saptamsa D7. In Vedic astrology, Dasamsa D10, Dwadasamsa D12. Okay, Shodasha Varga Pattika, Sodasamsa D16, Vimsamsa D20. Okay, Chatur Vimsamsa D24, Sapta Vimsamsa D27. So Trim Samsa D30, Khavedamsa D40. So Akshavedamsa D45, Sashtyamsa D60. Okay, like that, so many Sodasa Varga Pattikalu are there. I think nobody will see all these called what? Charts. I hope so. Nobody will go in depth. Generally, whenever they say, sir, simply because of rat and cat, pilli elika, and choha billi, if they are stating that and they are denying, they are who? Astrologers. They are guiding the poor parents. If they believe and they come to them and they are guiding them, lose this match, okay, leave this match by cause of Elika Pilli. That is part of yonicotomy. So I never suggest that. So many points you need to look into that. That's why I am stating this one. How many points? A chart, Excel sheet, you prepare yourself. One Excel sheet, marriage compatibility, date of birth, birth time, place. Then find the Lagna. Then come to the Rasi. Find out the Rasi and write the Rasi for both the boy and girl. Okay, you write about just boy, here girl. Then write whatever the Lagnam. Then girl's Lagnam. Next Rasi. What Rasi? For boy. For what Rasi? For girl. Then Nakshatram. Then next Nakshatram for girl. Padam. So like that you need to find. Then we need to check so many points. Ashtaguna points. Kujadosham. Kala Sarpa dosham. Rahu Ketu dosham. Elinati Shani, Ashtama Shani, Ardhashtama Shani. It is also a point to be noted. I will explain all Veda Nakshatra doshalu. Rajju dosham is there. Lagna compatibility. Lagna compatibility is a point that both Lagna will be matched or not. Because some parents have asked me that, sir, for Mithuna Lagna, Dhanu Lagna, is there marriage compatibility? See, I told you that many times. I want to emphasize, I want to stress over my point is that no, only one point never be considered. Only one point never be considered. In both the charts, so many points to be checked. By checking of only Lagna compatibility. Sir, okay sir, for that Lagna and girls has this Lagna, both will not be matched. So that's why my priest astrologer told that deny this match, reject this match. I told you many times. So many points we need to look into that. If astrologer who has depth knowledge, he can only is able to say explain all the things like I am explaining. See, Lagna compatibility. If Lagna compatibility is not matching, so don't lose that match. Next, how many factors we need to check into that? You are believing the astrology. That's why I am briefing all the things. Okay, Sashtastakam. Sashtashtaka, already many times I told you that Sashtastakam means Sashta Ashtakam. Sashta means 6, Ashtakam means 8. From one Rasi to another Rasi, What is the combination? If we counting from one Rasi to another Rasi, if they come under 6 and 8 relationship, so Sashtastikam. So that is to be checked. Next, Dvi Dasamsa. Dvi Dasamsa, 2-12 combination. Dvi means 2, Dasa, Dvidasamsa. Dvidasamsa means Dvi means 2, Dasa means 10. 10, 2 plus 10, 12 combination. 2 to 12 combination. 5 to 9. So many points are there. Okay. Next is what? Planet C. How many points we have? We need to check back from the starting. If whenever after finding of ascendant, Rasi, star, nakshatra, padam, Ashtaguna points. Within this Ashtaguna points, Ashta means 8. 8 guna is there. Within that 36 points will be considered. Out of them, how many points? Generally, they will stuck here. Because of nowadays so many apps are there, they will misguide you. Understand? Because that apps, it is a business model. Many in my astrological classes, I have made some videos, astrology and my research, my parishodhanlu, otherwise why I have started to teach astrology. You check my videos. Okay, within that I stated that for this Ashtaguna points, how the business model is there. Business model for Ashtaguna points, what happened, generally they will, that is software based. Software, what it does, it will calculate the points. Okay, but for any Kotami, some exemptions are there. Exemptions means for this star and this star, there is no any, means that Nadi Kotami, that dosha is exempted. So 8 points. For Nadi Kotami, 8 points will be added. Okay. But generally software, so many softwares I have seen, they will not add for that exempted points. If exemption is there, points to be added. So whenever points added for exemption, that software, if they have done very well, so at the time of exemptions means, as I told you, that for any star, boy has this star, girl has this star, for these both stars, Nadi Kota Doshami exempted. If dosha is there, because Nadi Kota Doshami, when it will be considered, if both the boy and girl has Ekanadi, means Nadi dosham under the Nadi Kotami, 3 Nadis are there: Adi Nadi, Anche Nadi, Madhya Nadi. If the both boy and girl has same Nadi, so that is called Nadi dosham. But maybe exemption for that, their stars, due to their stars. Okay, suppose Purvashada Nakshatram and somewhat combinations are there. If any exemption is there, that points to be added. But generally softwares, they will not add that points. So that moment, what you will get less points. So whenever, even though, because nowadays all are literates, technical literates, children, they are looking so many apps, websites are there. They go into there and check that I am getting less points, 11 points. So no, don't do that. Okay. You need to go to such a proper website wherever they will mention that clearly. We are giving the points for exemptions also. They will clearly mention that I am this website created, okay, and here for Ashtaguna Sammelana, Ashtaguna compatibility checking, we are providing the points for the exemptions also. They are the, you can go into that sites. If any sites or apps, they are misleading you, misguiding you by simply showing less points, and then this match is not recommended if you want to speak with an astrologer, and a number will be there. Okay, it is a business model, so don't believe that. From my side, I will not suggest that. Okay, so here Rasi, once you have calculated the Rasi simply, as I told, that in chart, wherever in D1 chart, Chandra is there, moon, that is your Janma Rasi. Okay. So simply you have found Rasi. Rasi is Vrichikam, Lagna is Vrishabham. Next, how to find the star? So first of all, here for Chandra, degrees we need to find out the star. See, Chandra degrees. Come here. Chandra is where Chandra degrees. Chandra. Okay. To find the Lagnam, we need to check Surya is in which Rasi. That time what degrees are there? Remaining degrees, 15 degree already completed in Meena Rasi Sun. Remaining 15 degrees left there. 15 into every degree into 4 minutes, 60 minutes, 1 hour. That is to be added to your sun rising time. So up to that Meena Lagnam will be there. I told you that. Then from there you need to add 2 hours to 2 hours. That is the way to find out manual calculation to find out the Lagnam. So here to find out the star, Chandra in Vrichikam 11 degrees 16 minutes 10 seconds. Simply you take 11 degree. Okay. So this 11 degrees 16 minutes 10 seconds, we have to take this degree, Chandra degree, in Vrichikam. So in Vrichikam 11 degrees 16 minutes, you keep in your mind and go for your chart. Chart is where this is. Okay, here. In this Chandra Rasi, in this Vrichika Rasi, every Rasi has at least 2 stars. At least 2 stars. Every Rasi has 2 stars. 2 stars means, see, every Rasi has 2 stars. 1 star has 4 padams. So 2 star means 8 padam. Every Rasi has 9 padams. Means 2 Rasis compulsory and then 1 padam of 1 star. How it is in Mesham? Mesham is 1. Aswini Bharani, 2 stars are there. 2 stars means 8 padam. Kritika 1 padam. So 9 padams in Mesham. Aswini Bharani 2 stars completed and Kritika 1 padam. So Aswini 4 padams, Bharani 4 padams, Aswini Bharani, Kritika 1 padam. 9 padams in Mesham. Next, for Vrishabham, Kritika, how many padams left? 3 padams. That 3 padams in Vrishabham. So Kritika, that next star is what? Aswini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini. Rohini 4 padas in Vrishabham. Then Rohini, then what? Mrugasira. Mrugasira 4 padam. Out of 4 padams, only 2 will be in Vrishabham because 3 padam of Kritika and 4 padam of Rohini, Mrugasira 2 padams. So then 3, 4, 7 plus 2, 9 padams will be in Vrishabham. So Mrugasira 2 padams left. The 2 padams of Mrugasira, they will be next Rasi is what? Mithuna. Okay. So 2 padams of Mrugasira will be in Mithuna, 2 padams. And next Mrugasira, Arudra 4 padams. Arudra 4 padams and Mrugasira 2 padams, 6 padams. Then after Arudra what? Punarvasu. Punarvasu 3 padams. Okay. So Mrugasira 2, Arudra 4, 6 and on Punarvasu 3. 9 padams. So Punarvasu 1 padam left. That is in Karkatakam. That is in Karkatakam. So Punarvasu left 1 padam. Next Pushyami 4 padams. Aslesha 4 padams. Aslesha, Pushyami, Aslesha 4, 4, 8. Punarvasu 1 padam, 9 padam. Like that, every Rasi has 9 padams. Means 1 padam is equal 3 degree 20 minutes. 1 star has 13 degree 20 minutes. Total Rasi has 30 degree. Total Rasi has 30 degree. And 1 Rasi has 30 degree means 9 padams. 9 into 3 degree 20 minutes. 9 into 3 degree 20 9 3 27, 9 into 20 minutes 180 minutes, 3 degree 27 plus 3 30 degree completed. So like that every Rasi 9 padams means at least 2 stars will be completed. So like here see Chandra in Vrushchikam degree is 11 degrees 16 minutes, and you forgotten? No, go there, and if you have doubt, Chandra is where in Chandra is Vrushchikam 11 degrees 16 minute. So 11 degrees 16 minute, you come here, now count 11 degrees 16. Chandra, what is the, is Vrushchika Rasi, which stars are here? So all that stars are categorized into three category, three groups. Okay, total out of 27 stars are there: Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrugasira, Arudra, Punarvasu, Pushyami. Okay, Pushyami, Ashlesha. This is the first group of stars. Makha, Pubba, Uttara, Hasta, Chaitra, Swati, Visyakha, Anuradha, Jeshta. These nine stars in second group. Okay, Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Satabhisham, Dhanishta, Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Satabhisham, Dhanishta. One more is there, Purva Bhadra, Uttara Bhadra, Revati. Satabhisham, Dhanishta, one more star to be considered. Nine third group of stars: Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Satabhisham, Dhanishta, Purva Bhadra, Uttara Bhadra, Revati. In between one is left. One is left. Okay, 9. So see, for four rasis word, from Mesham to Mesham, Vrushchikam, Mithunam, Karkatakam. In these four rasis, 9 stars will be adjusted. Mesham, Vrishabham. Mesham means 1. You consider from 1. Mesham, 2 Vrishabham Rasi, 3 Mithunam, 4 Karkatakam. 4 rasis, 9 stars will be adjusted. Okay, 4 rasis covers 120 degree. Next 4 rasis from Simha, 5th number Simha, 6th Kanya, 7th Tula, 8th Vrushchikam. 4 rasis. These 4 rasis cover 9 stars. Second group of stars: Makha, Pubba, Uttara, Hasta, Chaitra, Swati, Visyakha, Anuradha, Jeshta. These 9 stars will be adjusted from Simha to Vrushchikam. So in Vrushchikam, which stars will be there? That is the point. In second group of stars, last stars, because here in Vrushchikam, second stars, group of stars, last stars will be here in Vrushchikam. Last stars Anuradha, Jeshta. Anuradha, Jeshta, 4 and 4, 8 padams. 1 padam of what? Visyakha. Visyakha 1 padam, and Visyakha 1 padam, Anuradha 4 padams, Jeshta 4 padams. 9 padams will be in this Vrushchika Rasi. But our degrees we need to consider 11 degree. Chandra degree in Vrushchikam what? 11 degree 16 minutes. So Visyakha first padam completes 0 to 3 degree 20 minutes. So our Rasi, that is Vrushchika Rasi, star that will not be in Vishakha, because Vishakha degrees finishes at 3 degree 20 minutes. Next is what? Anuradha. Anuradha star has total 4 padams in Vrushikam. 4 pada means 13 degree 20 minutes. So 13 degree 20 minutes. See, first Visakha first last padam. Visakha 3 padams completed in Tula. Remaining Visakha oka padam, 3 padams adjusted in where? In Tula. Visakha 3 padams adjusted in Tula. So Visakha last padam will be adjusted in Vrishikam. So in Vrishikam last padam adjusted, that is 4th padam, started from 0 to 3 degree 20 minutes. So Visakha last padam completed. From 3 degree 20 minutes to 6 degree 40 minutes, Anuradha first padam. 6 degree 40 minutes to 10 degree, Anuradha second padam. 10 to 13 degree 20 minutes, Anuradha third padam. So Anuradha third padam. So our degrees, Chandra degrees, 11 degree 16 minutes, they will come under 10 to 13 degree 20 minutes. So here you can simply say that Anuradha third padam is the star. Understood? The Anuradha third padam. 4th padam Anuradha 13 degree 20 minutes to 16 degree 40 minutes. That is 4th padam of Anuradha. So our Chandra degrees 11 degree 16 minutes, they will come under 10 degree to 13 degree 20 minutes. That is the third padam. So your Janma star is Anuradha third padam. So come now, how? Let us check that. Anuradha see Anuradha, where is Nakshatram? Anuradha, see here. Nakshatram Padam. Nakshatram Anuradha Padam 3. You have calculated? Your Rasi is Vrishik Rasi calculated. Lagnam you have taken as per manual method, I told you that. And Guruvaram, his birth time is what? Birthday is Guruvaram, Krishna Paksham, Panchami Tithi, Krishna Paksham, Sukla Paksham, 2 Pakshas, 15 days, okay? So all this data you have taken. And Vimsutra Desa, at the time of his birth time, his Vimsutra Desa is Seni. Seni will be Seni, because as per Vimshottari, first Ketu, Shukra, Ketu for 7 years, Shukra for 20 years, then Sun for 6 years, Chandra, then Kuja, Rahu, Guru, Seni, Buddha. Like that Vimshottari Desa 120 years. Okay, Seni. So Seni, how much of time is left for Seni? That is separate issue. So as per this, whomever really wants to give justice to parents, the poor parents, they are totally believing the astrology and they are coming to you, and you are simply in one word stating that, okay, Elika Pilli, cat and rat and Ashtaguna points are not matching, and refuse that match. It is totally, you are doing wrong with your profession. You are doing wrong with your profession. It is my suggestion. Don't do that. But because as a human being, once we have come on this earth, okay, once we have come on this earth as a human being, especially don't do the business with the marriage, because marriage is a big decision in human beings' life. Illu katti chudu, pelli chesi chudu. This is the proverb. How it is very difficult to construct a house after one marriage, one time settlement in the life. So once the poor parents, they come to you, you need to check so many issues. Don't consider only one point. One point never to be considered. One point means Yonikotami not matching, sir. Lagna are not matching. One in the chart, so many points we need to check back, because they are believing. My point is that they are believing, so that's why they are coming to you. If myself and somebody else, we are, even though we are literates and illiterates, it doesn't matter. If they, I am not, I have no any burden of astrology, so I will go forward for the marriage. Whomever billing, they will think, they will be so intensified and they will think lot of matters. Nowadays the parents have so much of time, financially they are somewhat in gain position. That's why they are thinking so much of future of their children. And so one more point is that nowadays it is a technological era. So many apps and so many websites easily available. By this handheld mobile, we can simply download an app from the Google Play Store and check that. So easily available. That's why they. But question is that app or the website, how they are supporting you, whether they are misleading you, misguiding you. Really, you need to check back that. So come here. Next is what you have: ascendant Lagnam calculated, Rasi wherever Chandra is there, that is your Rasi, and Chandra degrees. By the degrees we can calculate the star, and star means nakshatra padam. So now the total details you have gathered all the details by the date of birth, birth time, birthplace. You have gathered the Lagnam, Rasi and Nakshatram, Padam. Next, how to check marriage compatibility. How many points we need to check? So because of now, I want to give a model. Okay. If they go for simple issues and check that, sir, cat and rat, ilka pilli, ashtaguna points, I will explain how many points need to be checked. 6 hours it will take to check him, both the girl and boys, bride and bridegroom chart. 6 hours. Only not only for the marriage compatibility, we check a lot of issues. Then whether there is comfort between them, whether there is a chance of any sustainability of the match for long time, and if there is any divorce chance is there, a second marriage chance is there. Like that, so many issues we need to check back. Huh? So come here. Now Ashtaguna points. Okay, Ashtaguna points after Lagna, Rasi, Nakshatra, Padam calculated by yourself. Okay, now come to the point Ashtaguna points, because generally people will come here and stuck there. Then they don't want to go further. That astrologer, he doesn't want to go further. Okay, he will stuck there. Okay, he will check by the software these points. Okay, out of 36, 18, 14 points are there. So this match is not preferred. He doesn't want to check that 14 points given by that app, otherwise website, they are the right points. If there is an exemption is there, a Nadi dosham, if Nadi dosham is there, Bhakuta Rasi dosham is there, but that software, whether it is adding that points, if exemption is there, they will not check. They will not check. Okay. See, Ashtaguna point, how many Ashtaguna? Varna Kotami, Vashya Kotami, Tara Kotami, means Nakshatra Kotami, Yoni Kotami, Graha Maitri, Graha Maitri, next, then Graha Maitri, Rasi Kotami, Gana Kotami. Gana Kotami is the 6th, okay? Gana Kotami means Rakshash Gana, Manushya Gana, Devagana, 6th. 7th is Rasi Kotami, 8th is your Nadi Kotami. 8 Kotamis are there under the Ashtaguna. 8 Kotami. Varna, Vashya, Nakshatra means Tara Kotami. 4th is what your Tara Kotami, Graha Maitri, okay? And that is what your Gana Kotami, Devaganamu, Rakshash Gana, Manushya Ganamu, Rasi Kotami, Nadi Kotami. Like that 8 Kotamis are there. So under that 8 Kotami, how many points you are checking? Generally, you in the old days, ancient days, that astrologer, he will manually calculate. That manually calculation time, there may be no any chance of errors, because he will check all manually and he will calculate that. For the software, nowadays software, in the software, that if any dosha is there, that dosha is being exempted, so points to be added. Okay. They will not show that points, so simply you will follow that and you stuck at the ashtaguna points, and you yourself, you don't want to go forward for the match. See, so you, that moment you need to write that points, how many types points are getting. Okay, 36 out of 18.5. Okay, generally they will say that 18 points is enough. Okay, so next is what? See, ashtaguna points, some. Okay, next, how to see ashtaguna points, and that is separate issue, and I will conduct a class over that. First of all, let me clarify that how many points to be checked. నాకు నవ్వు వస్తుంది. I laughed a lot whenever any parents, इतना हंसता हूँ मैं. कभी दुख भी होता है मुझे, దుఃఖం కూడా, బాధ కూడా వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు వై బాధ అంటే, పాపం దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ పూర్ పేరెంట్స్, దే కమ్ టు యూ, ఓకే, and you are misguiding them by simple cause. Either you don't know, look into full, you don't have any full knowledge. Okay, so next, kujadosham. This kujadosham, it is really very scaring. People are really fearing. The parents, kujadosham, they are shivering themselves. వణికిపోతా ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు. కుజదోషం ఉంది, అరే కుజదోషం, it has separate point. లగ్న, in లగ్నం కుజదోషం, కుజ మీన్స్ మార్స్, మంగళ గ్రహ, అంగార గ్రహం అంటారు, మంగళ గ్రహం అంటే అంగార గ్రహము, కుజ మార్స్ అంటారు. సో కుజ ఈజ్ ఇన్ లగ్న 4th, okay, 7th, 8th, 12th. If Kuja is in these positions in chart, D1 chart, Lagnam, okay, 4th, 7th, 8th, 12th, okay, somewhere you can find in second position also, 5th position also. So if total 12 Rasi, 6 Rasis you calculate, so everybody will be in Kujadosham. Everybody will be Kujadosham. Okay, from, they will calculate Kujadosham in 3 ways: from Lagna, from Chandra, from Sukra. They will say that Kujadosham 100% from Lagna, from Chandra 50%, from Sukra 25%. So everybody will be under Kujadosham. Nobody will be exempted, because I told you that means myself also, me also, I have studied. Okay, I am a learner. I am studying every day. I am studying. I am still every day, up to my last breath of the life, I will conduct one day astrology class. So, and I will go in depth, Western astrology, Krishnamurti Paddhati, the different astrology I will study up to last breath of my life. One class will be conducted on that. So Kujadosham, I studied what? Lagnam, first position. 2 is not considered, but somewhere I found that 2 also considered. Next, 4th place, 7th, 8th, 12th. So that is Kujadosham. But if there is Kujadosham, they will say Kujadosham is there. Lagna, they will see the chart like this. See, where is that chart? They will see chart and say simply Kujadosham. This is the D1 chart. See, where is the from Lagna? Where is the Kuja? Kuja means Mars. See yourself, you Kuja, sixth place. From Lagna, Kuja is sixth place. So sixth place, as I told you that sixth place there is no any Kuja dosha. If Kuja is in Lagnam, otherwise fourth place means from Lagna. You need to consider from Lagna. Count not Mesha. You need to Lagna. Lagna your first position. Because your bhavam Lagnam is first bhavam, second Dhana bhavam is your Mithunam, Tritiya bhavam, Bhatru bhavam, that is your Karkatakam, fourth bhavam, Matru bhavam, that is your Simham, fifth Putra bhavam, Tula, sixth Shatru bhavam, Tula. Kanya is fifth. Kanya is fifth. Putra sthanam, fifth. Kanya, sixth Shatru sthanam, Tula. Seventh his Kalatra sthanam, Vivaha sthanam, Vrishikam, Ashtamam. Ashtamam Dhanasu, Ayurdayam. Ninth is what? Bhagyasthanam. 10th is what? Kirtisthanam, Rajasthanam. That is your Kumbham. 11th is what? Menam, Labhasthanam. 12th, Mesham, Yayasthanam. Like this, okay? So here, what we were discussing, which point we were discussing? Kuja dosham. So Kuja from Lagna is in Tula, sixth position. So there is no any Kuja dosha. Suppose, consider one more chart we will see.